Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comrade Hwende CCC has offered an apology to the party and to the public as well for drinking water at the parliament last week. Vanyora Ivo vakati, I have just been summoned by the elders in Kwazana East over this regrettable incident of drinking water from parliament. I apologize to them and I extend the same apologies to all our CCC family. I value your concern and appreciate your love. Vazhinji vari kushamisika kuti did we hear this right? Apologizing for drinking water. Kuri kunzi zvoni unofanira kuziva kwekudya kwekunwa. Munhu ngaasangova munhu anofarira kukwata. So ndo zviri kubva padeski raSecretary General of CCC Comrade Hwende vachiti sorry ma citizen.